He's rapping.
Yeah, what's up? It's your boy, KRAFTY1. I got my hot glue gat. I'm here to make crafting dope again. Also joining me is my socially distanced hype man, Silent T. Yo, Silent T, what up?
Word.
Yeah. You ready to get this project on, Silent T? Alright, Dan. Well, looks like Silent T fell asleep. Let's get this party jumping. Word.
Yeah, today we're gonna make a dope groundbreaker, yo. Not like that one, that's whack. Whack. Oh, that's kinda dope. Wiggity whack.
Yo, first thing we got to do is get our groundbreaking Scully some clothes. Yo, DJ Cat Scratch Fever, drop a dope beat.
Yo, I went to Goodwill, got a coat, got a shirt, gonna grab a couple kids and mess it up in the dirt. Go little kids, go little kids, go. Go little kids, go little kids, go. Go little kids, go little kids, go. Go little kids, go little kids, go.
Yeah! Aw, yeah, about to start this project off with a piece of plywood that's 2 feet wide and a 1.5 inch PVC pipe. In the end, we're gonna cut these both down to 3.5 feet long, yeah. Yeah, this PVC pipe we're gonna use to attach our fog machine to it. We're gonna make this dope groundbreaker a fogger as well, yo. About to drill a few holes to mount our tombstone. This is all gonna be one piece. Got another piece of PVC. I'm gonna drill this hole and mount it in our plywood. Secure it with some spray foam. This is what our Scully's gonna be mounted to. Cut it down to your desired height. Oh, look at Scully's chilling. You might recognize this Scully because my boy He's Crafty corpsed him in an early episode. Slide the Scully onto the PVC and secure him. Now let's get Scully dressed. Look at those fly threads, yo. Damn, Scully looking dope. Gots to mess up this coat a little, yo. Gots to get some spray foam on the head so it can dry. This is gonna make Scully look all nasty. It's gonna be dope, trust me, yo. Trust me. Next, I'm gonna secure this light in front of the tombstone to illuminate it. I like using these lights because you can switch out the color if you so choose. Just go ahead and drill, mount, and get it into place. Next, we're gonna take a set of orange string lights, yo, and run them in front and behind of the Scully. Do not run the lights on top of the PVC pipe. I repeat, not on top of the PVC pipe, yo. Spray foam over the lights and the PVC pipe. Later on in the project, we're gonna drill holes on top of that PVC pipe for the fogger to work. And if you hit a light, it's curtains, yo. Curtains. Alright, there's our foam all laid out. Now we're just gonna sit here and watch it dry for 8 hours. Psych! We're gonna break for a word from our sponsors. We'll be right back, yo.
Oh yeah, girl! Gonna tell you about a fresh new spray that's gonna bust. And girlfriend, the name of this game is Rap Love. For something freshy and hand and just take a spray of the hype. Execute, can you tell? Yeah, baby, that's the smell. What's the perfume you can trust to keep the fellas coming back? Rough habit is a crime and crime don't pay. Rap Musk is the game you wanna be playing. Girls get so quick with no delaying. You know what I'm spraying? From perfumes to core.
Yo, I'm from the streets. Throw me a White Claw, yo.
Word. Yeah, welcome back. It's time to get Scully looking all gruesome. Gonna grab the hot glue gat and get this eyeball stuck in him. Then we're gonna move on and we're gonna paint him with this permanent blood paint from deadheadprops.com. DJ Cat Scratch Fever, drop another fat beat.
About a corpse of Skelly, making the living dead. Cover him in plastic, spray foam his head. Go living dead, go living dead, go. Go living dead, go living dead, go. Go living dead, go living dead, go. Go living dead, go living dead, go.
Yeah. Dang, Scully, you're looking to the extreme with that moss and cockroaches on you, yo. Once the spray foam is dry, you can drill the holes for the fogger. Make sure the spray foam is dry. Time to paint the spray foam with this camouflage paint. Hey, where'd the spray foam go, yo? We're gonna attach our fog machine to our Scully using this tube I got in the plumbing department at Lowe's. You put one end in the back of the PVC and double bag it, word. The other end runs over to your fogger. If you want it to come through the holes you drilled into PVC, plug this end, and then you'll get this effect. Oh, damn, Scully, you look like you're on fire, yo. Looks like he's coming out the hell, yo. Yo, editor, slow that down, yo, just for the full effect. Oh, yeah. You can see in spots we added some moss, like around the base of the tombstone, for some detail. But there it is, your groundbreaking Scully. That ain't whack.
Yeah, I think that project came out dope. Yo, Silent T, why don't you hit us up with the summarization, yo? Alright, Den, looks like Silent T fell asleep. I'd like to thank my boy, He's Crafty, for letting us guest host this episode today. And remember, my peeps, we're all one nation under a groove. Be good to each other. Unless you chip gains, then you's a punk. Peace.
He's crafty.